Hi guys! Welcome to my video. And for today's video, that is just, wala pa akong intro guys. Pero yun na nga, nandito tayo. Mag-get ready with me. Very simple lang kasi pupunta lang naman ako dentist and kakain sa labas with my lola. And ayun, sana short get ready with me. Get ready with me habang nagkaano ako. I'm gonna get my braces soon. Which, galing talaga no, ngayong college talaga. Umpisa ng college. Also, it's been suspended for days. I hope you guys are safe kasi ang dami nangyayari. But, yeah. Let's get ready. Now, first I'm gonna use this Oxycure. I mean, I'm not gonna use my, most of the time, concealer. Ito yung parang, ito kay most of the time ko. Ewan ko. 99 pesos lang ha. 2 grams. Feeling ko marami na rin siya. Meron siyang malaki. Pero, okay na rin ako dito. Tingnan natin ito. Nalagyan ko siya ng green concealer kanina. I forgot na meron pala yan. I mean, may acne marks na iba. Hindi ko na alam. Okay, pwede na yan. Parang may... Ooh! Okay, nasa na? Okay. Actually, nasa makeup bag ko to eh. I've been so clumsy lately. What the heck? Yun na nga. Ano ba pwede natin pag-usapan dito? My life has been crazy. Well, not really. Sa utak ko lang. Yung kung para akong nahihirapan mag-isip ba para, tamo, hindi ko ma-explain. Ayun na nga eh, kasi hindi ko alam ano yung nagbabother sa akin. Pero I feel like it's because of ang tagal ng bakasyon ko, which I'm very grateful for because I know how academic school can be so stressing. I've been through that. Oh my gosh, senior high school was literally, it's a good time because I have my friends, I have my classmates, but it's so stressing. Lalo na grade 12 kasi nga iniisip mo yung sets. Pero, ayun na nga. Ewan ko. Pag sobrang wala ka talagang ginagawa, yung nagagawa mo na lang is mag-isip na mag-isip. Ay, naku. Ayun yung nagkakascure. Now, I'm using the Izzy one next, the Purr one. I've been liking the, not pink look kind of thing. Gusto ko kasi matuto yung makeup na downtown. But, anything works, you know. Kung anong bumabagay sa mukha ko. Very simple look lang naman tayo today. Ulit-ulit na din. Ay, wala eh. Gusto ko lang naman may pula-pula about this bridge nose. There we go. Ewan ko. Minsan talaga, hindi ko alam, yung ACADS is a part of my way of distracting my mind to not think. Kasi nga stress ka, diba? Iniisip mo kung anong about sa ACADS mo and not life itself. Pero, yun na nga. I'm very grateful naman. After all, just my mind, kahit yung puso ko na need to be okay. Kasi, alam mo yun, nothing's really wrong. Siguro ako lang talaga yung problema. Hindi ko alam. Do I hope I help myself? I mean, tomorrow is my first day na face-to-face. Kasi wala akong pasok talaga ngayon. Pero, buti na lang, umaaraw na ng onte. Ayoko naman sobrang araw kasi nga mahirap din yun. Sakto lang ba? A contour pala. Shade Husk. From Easy Again. Alam mo yun? Wala na tuloy ako. Kunin na lang. Contour, contour. You know. I like doing that. Okay, so that's good. Ano pa ba, guys? Brows. I'm gonna use na lang yung pinaka-easy one. So, like, put in maybe this. Kasi hindi ko naman nagagamit eh. Parang binigay lang sa akin ng mom ko. Tapos hindi pala pantay. Wait lang. Okay, so how about you guys? Kamusta na ang mga tao ngayon? I wanna get to know you guys a bit more. Ngayon ko lang nakita, meron pala akong parang kala ko shine lang siya. Sunscreen pala yun. Don't forget to put your sunscreen on your eyelids, okay guys? Kasi kumikilib. Huwag na natin pansinin guys. Ano ba yan? Pansin ko lang, unti kong shave lang pala. Shave lang natin ng unti. Shave. Ngayon ko lang nalaman to. Ewan ko if it's good or not, but it gets the job done. Ayun ang gusto ko, guys. My eyebrows is a bit messy right now. Okay. Medyo tumutubo na yung mga hair. Pwede pa pataas. Oh my gosh. What am I doing? Oh my gosh, I did it. Wait lang. Kasi natin itong... Hindi ko alam para saan to, pero... Ewan ko. Diba, makeup brush. Hindi ko alam. What this one though? You need to be patient with this kasi mamaya may ma-shave ka na hindi ka ay-aya. Yun ang ngayon. Ayun na nga. Baka maglagay ako ng pimple patch pa lang. Dito, first it's not that bad. Yun pala. Nakalimutan ko yung part dito. 8 minutes doing nothing. I'm really sorry. I'm not like marunong mag-edit. Though I try it naman. I can. Pero para sa documentary na rin to ng buhay ko. Ano ba pinagagawa ko? Okay. So right now, my face is looking cute, I guess. I mean, it can get better. Ganun ang magtingin sa mukha. Sa obsessed ba? I'm sorry. Now I'm gonna use something brownish. Brownish. I'm gonna line it first. Yung may kulay yung eyeliner. Lip liner. Tapos, ang alang kulay yung loob. This round is shadow. May shade ba to? Rosette. ka lang ba? Gusto ko mag-post ito sa YouTube. Posting on TikTok gives me, ano na, nako-connect agad kasi sa account, 'di ba? Tapos, nakikita ng mga friends mo dun. Like TikTok friends, and I'm not really that sure. So, I'm gonna use this one from Emily in Paris, Vaseline, in the shade of this. It's kind of a bit brownish, nude Nouveau. Feeling ko ayun ang pronunciation. Bear with me. It's getting dark again. My gosh. I think that's it for now. I mean, I'm not really into heavy makeup muna for this types of events. Just wanna look fresh. It's my look. Nandito talaga sa gilid, no? Hindi ko rin alam. Pero ito na yung look ko. Hindi ko alam kung mabibideo ko yung tomorrow. First day. Kasi hindi ko alam kung kaya ng stamina ko. Stamina? Anong connect ng stamina doon? Alam nyo guys, let's just see. But if I not like able to like show you guys what's happening. Oh, natago siya ng concealer ko dito. Nagkakatubo ako dito ng acne. Pero siguro naman hindi siya ganun ka-visible. Boobs. Yun lang. Thank you guys for staying with me, and I hope you have a great day. And it's getting dark again, so be safe there.